Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. We're almost done with the Safari suits. What's left is to fix the edge protector and to iron it and fix other accessories that is needed in this Safari suit. You can see it. You can see how it is. This is the interior aspect of it. So this video I'm going to be considering fixing of the edge protector on this video. So that's what I'm going to be considering, fixing edge protector on our Safari suit wear. So this is where the edge protector is supposed to be, and this is our edge protector. This is the edge protector. So I want you to watch as I carry this assignment. The first thing you need to do is to get a screwdriver and widen the space a little bit. Let's assume that the area where you want to fix it is not as thick. It's not as thick as this space, as the thickness of the edge of my Safari suit. So let's assume it's not as thick as that. So what you need to do is just to fix it. But since the edge of this place, the L edge is thick, we need to widen the edge protector a little bit. We widen this edge protector, we widen a little bit, and you can see it. So widen it a little bit, and also widen this also a little bit. Widen this a little bit. So as I widen it, I will now fix the edge protector. I want you to watch. So as I fix it, I have to use my screw to push it inside. You push it inside, and make sure that the thing is, make sure that is inside, and then you apply a little force on it. I don't have my hammer here present, so I'm going to make use of this to hit it. So you can see how it is. We also fix this the same way I did it. So this is all about how to fix this edge protector. And please, before you leave this video, I would like to give you a like on this video. And if you are new to my channel, look below the video, it says subscribe button. Hit on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to all. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.